Ever worried about losing your cherished WhatsApp chats and precious photos when changing phones? Today, we're diving deep into how to find your WhatsApp backup data nestled safely within your Google Drive. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or any device and navigate to drive.google.com. You'll need to sign into the Google account that you've linked with your WhatsApp backup. Make sure it's the correct account. Once logged in, look for the storage option on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Now, instead of directly browsing through your folders here, we need to access a different area. In the top right corner of your Google Drive screen, you'll see a grid of 9 colorful dots, often referred to as the Apps menu. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showcasing various Google apps. Scroll down or click on More to reveal additional options. Within this extended list, find and click on Google Drive Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and select Manage Apps. This is where all the apps connected to your Google Drive are listed. Scroll through this list until you find WhatsApp Messenger. You might need to scroll quite a bit if you have many connected apps. Once you find WhatsApp Messenger, click on it here. You'll see information about your WhatsApp backup, including its size and when it was last performed. While you can't directly download individual chat files from here, this confirms your backup exists and is linked to this account. This knowledge is crucial when setting up WhatsApp on a new device. When prompted, simply sign into the same Google account, and WhatsApp will automatically detect and offer to restore your backup, bringing all your conversations and media back to life. And that's how you confirm and locate your WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive, keeping your conversations safe and sound.